Welcome to Wildlife Acoustics. The Songmeter Micro Wildlife Recorder provides powerful features for creating, saving, editing, and sharing configuration files. Let's explore the configuration library, which is part of the Songmeter Configurator app. Launch the Configurator app, and the first screen which opens is the Recorders screen. At the bottom of the Recorders screen, there are icons for the App Information screen, the Recorders screen, and here in the middle, an icon for the Configuration Library screen. Tap on the icon. At this moment, there are no configuration files in the library. Let's see how we can make a configuration file. I'll go back to the Recorders screen and tap the Pair icon. The Songmeter Micro Recorder pairs with the Configurator app. Tap the Configure icon to go to the Paired Configuration Editor screen. The Paired Configuration Editor screen displays the settings which have just been uploaded by the Songmeter Micro Recorder to the app. This configuration is currently set to use a preset recording schedule which records from sunrise to sunset. I'll change the end time of the schedule block so the Songmeter Micro will record from sunrise until noon each day. Now let's save this new configuration as a file. The Load and Save icons are located in the upper right corner of the Paired Configuration Editor screen. Tap the Save icon. I'll name this current configuration Frog Finder. Tap OK. I'll change another setting. This time I'll raise the gain to create louder recordings. I'll tap Save again and name this Frog Finder Loud. Now there is a second saved configuration file. Tap on the Load icon and the two configuration files which have just been created are listed. Choose a saved configuration file to download to the paired Songmeter Micro Recorder. The recorder is immediately updated with the new configuration. Go back to the Recorders screen and tap the Configuration Library icon. Here are the two saved configuration files which were created and saved from the Paired Configuration Editor. Let's make a third configuration file. Tap the plus icon. This opens a screen to create a new configuration file. Some basic choices must be made in order to create the file. Choose Songmeter Micro as the recorder model. Tap here to name the configuration file. I'll call this one Evening Frogs. Part of creating a configuration file includes starting with a preset recording schedule. I'll choose the sunrise to sunset schedule. There are also options to set the location and time zone for the configuration file. I have the choice of using the current mobile device location, or I can program a custom location. If I know a configuration file will be loaded to a recorder for a specific deployment location, I can program that location into the configuration file ahead of time. Also, and this is important to know, when a saved configuration file is loaded from the Configurator app to a paired Songmeter Micro Recorder, a message will appear. The message will ask if you'd like to continue with the location saved in the file, or would you like to use the location of the currently paired device to program the recorder. Once the basic parameters of the new configuration file are set, tap the Next button. This opens the Saved Configuration Editor screen. I'll adjust the start time of this new schedule to noon. Now the new Evening Frogs recording schedule is programmed to run from noon to sunset each day. Exit the Saved Configuration Editor to go back to the Configuration Library screen. Now all three configuration files are listed. A saved configuration file can be further edited by tapping on the arrow. Configuration files can be selected or deselected on the left. The selected configurations can be deleted or shared. The share options use standard iOS or Android functions. I'll email these configuration files to a colleague. If my colleague sends a configuration file to me, I can use my email app to transfer the file to the SongMeter Configurator app. Now the configuration file from my colleague is available in the configuration library on my device. Thank you for watching.